possible that Chandrababu Naidu is going to ask for a special status for Andhra Pradesh? That's something that INDIA bloc allegedly has already offered. In fact, Jairam Ramesh has tweeted about it, something that they have been consistently demanding, but successive governments at the centre have failed to come good on that promise. Could that be one of the chips that they demand?
Well, that definitely Chandrababu will be as part of his agenda, but I don't stress on it, or even in the sources in the TDP, that should not be a deal breaker between them being part of NDA or not. As far as they're concerned, this is not a deal breaker to be part of NDA or not. We're looking at probably more in terms of what Chandrababu Naidu has in mind. He'll reveal his cards after the NDA, in the NDA meeting, is what party sources are informing us. As you rightly pointed out, special status for Andhra Pradesh is a touchy issue. It's an emotional issue for all the people of Andhra Pradesh. They have been seeking for it for almost 15 years now. Here and there, the central governments have insisted they will deliver. They have not. In fact, Jairam Ramesh even held a press conference saying that they are ready to give special status to Andhra Pradesh. Probably hinting at Naidu is to switch sides and take that special status. But as far as TDP is concerned, that is not a deal breaker to be part of NDA or not.
Keep tracking the developments. Let's also move on to the third player, rather, should we say. After Pawan Kalyan, we told you about Chandrababu Naidu. But what about Nitish Kumar? And that's going to be one of the most interesting one. After all, he has been in the past also been known for his pulty politics. Well, BJP may be breathing easy on the TDP front, at least for the moment. On the JDU front, there is something very curious which is happening. Nitish Kumar, who has said very little since he found himself in the kingmaker position, is on his way to New Delhi for the NDA meeting. But sitting beside him is none other than former Deputy Chief Minister Tejaswi Yadav, former alliance partner of Nitish Kumar. Well, visuals of these two together have, of course, raised eyebrows in such a politically sensitive situation, especially given what Tejaswi has said just a short while ago. And the BJP has also reacted, attempting to play down the fact that they are travelling together. Listen in.
अब बिहार जो है किंग मेकर बनकर के उभर रहा है, तो हम तो यही चाहेंगे कि भाई सरकार जो भी आए, जो किंग मेकर वो कम से कम बिहार को विशेष राज्य का दर्जा दिलाए, और जो हम लोगों ने 75% जो आरक्षण की सीमाएं बढ़ाई थी और जो शेड्यूल लाइन की बात है, तो वो शेड्यूल लाइन में डाला जाए, और साथ ही साथ पूरे देश भर में जाति जनगणना वो कराए। ये हम लोगों की 3 मुख्य डिमांडें होंगी।
कि दोनों अलग अलग मीटिंग में आ रहे हैं, एक एनडीए की मीटिंग में और एक इंडिया की मीटिंग में, तो चिंता होती है क्या कि जहाज बदल ना जाए?
भैया, जहाज में कई हम सफर होते हैं, लेकिन ये जरूरी नहीं है कि वो हम सफर जो है वो साथी हो जाए बाद में, इसलिए इसकी ज्यादा चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है।